Replace the left side panel. Power off, unplug the power cord. Place the machine on its side. Unscrew the one screw at the bottom of the machine that secures the left side panel. Place the machine upright. Peel off the adhesive tape. Remove the left side panel. Unscrew for screws. Take off the left side panel. Install the left side panel. Tighten the screws. Apply adhesive strips. Place the machine on its side. Insert the screw washers and tighten the screws. Place the machine upright. Replace the right side panel. Place the machine on its side. Unscrew the one screw at the bottom of the machine that secures the right side panel. Place the machine upright. Disassemble the right cover inside the machine. Remove the right side panel. Unscrew 5 screws. Take off the right side panel. Install the right side panel. Tighten the 5 screws. Reinstall the cover. Place the machine on its side. Insert the screw washers and tighten the screws. Place the machine upright. Self-check. Plug in power cord, power on. Click Prepare. Calibration. Check all options and click Start Detecting. Wait for the machine self-check to complete.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.